has 3 mines under development in Turkey. Joining us now, John McCluskey, the CEO of Alamos Gold. Great to see you.
Absolutely. We've invested probably $100 million in Turkey over the last 9 years or so. We were very successful with exploration, so after initial very modest investment, we ended up finding roughly 3 million ounces of gold there, where all the value added is. I would say that the approach we're taking is quite responsible. It's a very modest capital investment to get our first mine underway. Mm-hmm. We've only just permitted that mine for construction. We received the final permit a few weeks ago. Mm-hmm. I'd say an important thing to emphasize when you're in the mining business is you have to take a very, very long-term view. We've been there, think about it, since 2009, and we started on our first project in 2010. We won't see our first production until 2020, mm-hmm. and we've got about 15 years of production out in front of us from that point forward. So,
of course, you don't want to rejoice in Turkey's misfortune, I know, but the plunge in the currency makes it even cheaper to build stuff there, presumably.
True enough. I mean, when we did our feasibility study on Karazli, the first project we're developing, the currency rate we used was 2.9 lira to the dollar. That's going to have a fairly significant impact on our capital spending because something like 65% of our construction costs will be lira denominated. So that does benefit us to some extent. But on the other hand, you've got very, very high inflation. Mm-hmm. And to that extent,